no good. Failure no in a my thing, no. Go for the goal, we been a win. Failure no in a my thing, no. Failure no in a my thing, no.
Stop. V is prepared like a mother.
Yeah.
I love it.
We are back in so.
Oh no. Oh, they're walking already? Careful. See? Keep up, man. Which one? Okay, so we just made it to our spot. Much better.
Being a bit of clear, you know?
Yeah, much better than the spot we had before. Very open. So how many birds you guys call? How many are we gonna get?
Put it 20.
20.
We don't work with a percentage, you know.
Yeah,
Definitely based on how much we see.
Oh yeah.
that's true. So what's the percentage?
90. 90%.
Wow, guys, that's ambitious. We're gonna see what we can go on still. Still what can go on. Yeah. We are prepped, guys. They had me carry this big ass bag. That's like an extra 40 pounds that I had to carry up the mountain.
Sure, you are going to eat the most.
Lord God. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh Lord. Yeah, we were definitely prepared today.
Yeah, man.
We're prepared.
We got the soldier coming now.
Hey. Book 'em. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, guys. So this is day 2. Of the
Episode.
Yeah, episode, and we have a better spot, like I said.
See it there?
There with a real soldier. Hey, get me now with a real soldier. Real soldier. Book 'em.
Yes. Sector.
Yeah. So we're gonna eat good today.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat
We're going to
good.
be
good.
well fed.
Yes.
Yes.
Jaja.
Yeah. Good spot. Watch out. Bruh, are you serious? No, we can't lose all these birds. Guys, we shot 5 birds in 5 minutes, but the terrain is so crazy. Like, how? No, that one we have to be able to get, Veron. It's right there. No, sir, we can't make them think so we have soft soap on there.
Can bird them, but them far.
I think you have to grow in us around. It's my 5 birds in 5 minutes, guys. Yeah? No, sir. But to get them, to go find them, because they fall like all the way out there and the terrain is crazy. So trying to find them here is just nuts. Oh my God. Today's a good day.
You can't find them, Cindy.
Oh, well, we need to find them. We need to find them. Guys, we've been here all of like maybe 10 minutes and already we've shot 6 birds. But finding them, yeah, finding them is no joke. We have yet to find one because they keep falling like over like in some really rough terrain. Varana's down there trying to chop his way out to try to find at least one. But nothing yet. But we are trying. Guys, when I tell you the mosquitoes are crazy out here, like these joints are biting me through my tights. Oof. And this little space on my ankle right here, murdering me. I don't know if you can see them on camera, but look, they're like birds. Look at birds, they're like birds. Mm. Oh, Jesus. First one, you guys. First of 7, okay? We shot 7, and we were only able to recover 1. But we got him. Why are we out here?
That makes sense.
Yeah. All right, so we're defeathering our bird. Yeah, I like how easy the feathers come out.
Maybe I that too when I was
Bomba. What goes up must come down, right? Where are you shooting? Wait. Watch out, boom, 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 boom.
I want to down drop right which part the one I'm shoot drop.
Mm-mm.
And get lick on the yasa too.
Yeah?
You feel like the next one are going down there, so.
Yep. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah.
See that, Cindy?
Yes. No one. So freaking out. Look at this, guy.
How much shot that?
This is
No,
9.
Yeah. How much shot that a while ago? 4 shot, 4 bud.
Yes.
Jesus, please.
Really one in a dead, you know? One on the final limb. In a dead.
What do you mean in a dead?
Ron, he's dead.
No, man.
Ron, he's dead. He's dead. Oh, God. All right, guys. We just wrapped up. Bird shooting officially stops at 9. So we are making our way back to the car. Is that our guys? This way, right? Right? Oh, they're over there. Whew.
Oh, my chair.
Hey, Ted.
Yeah?
Ted. Hey, boy. Come on, for this. Okay.
Look like I don't take a gym, you know?
Yo! Listen, 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
You take up vengeance.
I'm telling you. Whee. Oh, God. Guys, tired. I think I burnt more calories the first time. The first time the sweat was running down my back. Like that freaking hill was crazy.
What bird we shoot and can't find them?
We shot 13 birds.
So why shoot them?
13.
Why shoot them?
Because we thought we were going to be able to get them, but they went over. We can't find them. 13. The mongoose belly full tonight.
Yeah.
Eh, yeah.
Birdie mongoose, them I go get.
Bird them I get. How much enough on that? Yeah, where you want, man?
3 or 4. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Guys, we just made it back. I can't believe my poor car made it up here in this ridiculous terrain. Oh, my baby was not built for this. But yeah, this is everybody. We out here. Just made it back in one piece. We shot 13 birds, but we were only able to recover 4 because the terrain is so crazy. And we just couldn't find them. But yeah. Hey guys, so I just took a nap in the car. I'm falling asleep while they're like making the food. And now some food is ready, not the birds yet, but rice and mackerel and cabbage. That's a new one. Hello. Hello.
If you're living a boardhouse, you're still a queen, you're still a king. Yeah, I know you're not mine.